When it comes to legal transcription, it doesn't make sense to open up a fresh Microsoft Word document and start typing from scratch each time. That's why professionals often work with legal transcript templates. Templates are files that serve as a starting place for a document, so you don't have to start from scratch. They can contain formatting so that your documents come back looking polished and consistent each time. Or they can contain text that is commonly used, so you're not repeating the same process. They can be a big time saver, especially if you're working on a complex document that requires special formatting. When creating a template, we recommend that you make sure it contains these 5 elements. Be sure it includes the font pitch and style you want your final document to be in. Include examples of how you would like the spacing and indentation to appear. The typist will delete the sample text, but it helps to provide a visual cue of what you're looking for. If you use titles and headlines in your documents, include examples of how you like them formatted. If your document may contain numbered or lettered paragraphs or bullet points, include a sample in your template. And finally, use examples of elements like date, recipient, salutations, and closing so the typist can follow your preferred style. Click the link below for free downloadable templates, or if you're not sure exactly what you want, SpeakWrite's template experts can assist you in creating a template that meets your needs.